Now question number 7 of exercise 11.2. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles. There are 3000 tiles in that floor and which are rhombus shaped, and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. So each tile is in the shape of a rhombus which has the diagonals 45 and 30 centimeter. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. Now they are saying that there are 3000 tiles. So what is the number of tiles? 3000. Shape of each tile is rhombus. Now area of one tile. As we know that it's a rhombus, half into d1 into d2. Okay, half into d1 is 45 and d2 is 30. Okay, we can cancel it 45 into 15. 15 fives are 75, 15 fours are 60, 60 plus 7, 67 centimeter square is the area of one tile. Now how many such tiles are there? That will give us the area of the whole floor. Area of floor is equals to area of one tile multiplied by number of tiles. The area of one tile is 675 into there are 3000 tiles. Now multiply. 3 zeros are definitely going to come. Now multiply this 3. 3 fives are 15. 3 sevens are 21. 22. 3 6 are 18 and 2. Now this is in centimeter square. Okay, it's 20,25,000 centimeter square. But here the area which needs to be polished, it is given in the rate is given in per meter square. That means the person who's doing the polishing is charging rupees 4 for per meter square, not centimeter square. So we have to convert this centimeter into meter. Okay, so whenever we convert centimeter into meter, we will divide it by 10,000 because 1 meter has 100 centimeter and 1 meter square will have 10,000 centimeter square. Now 3 zeros cancel, put one decimal, 202.5 meter square. This is the area. Now this area needs to be polished, and what is the cost of polishing? So cost of polishing at the rate of what is the rate at the rate of rupees 4 is equals to 202.5 multiplied by 4 because it is 4 rupees per meter square. Now multiply. 5 fours are 20. Okay, 4 twos are 8, 9, 10. 4 zeros are 0, 1. 4 twos are 8. After 1 there is a decimal, so it will be rupees 810. He will charge rupees 810 to polish that area. Question number 8 of exercise 11.2. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of the field is 10,500 meters square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter, find the length of the side along the river. Now this is the field, and here there is a road and here there is a river. Now Mohan wants to purchase this field, and in this field the distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter. The area of this field is 10,500 meters square. Now the sides are not given clearly, but there is a relation which is given between these two sides, which is that the side which is along the river is twice as a side of the road. So here what we can make out from it is that if this is the field, this is the height which is 100 meter. So the side along the road, if we take it as x, then the side along the river will become twice of it. That means 2 times of it. So it will be 2x. So let the length of the field along the road be x and along the river be 2x. Now it is already given that the area of the field is 10,500. We know that this field is in the shape of the trapezium, so its formula is going to be half into sum of parallel sides into height, and it is going to be 10,500. This is the area of this field. Now put the values in this. Half into, what is A? X, and B is 2x, into height is 100. 10,500. Now it would be better if I'll take this 100 in the denominator so that zeros can be easily cut, and just solve the bracket. 2x plus x, 3x, and this is 1 by 2. 10,500 upon 100, because 100 is in multiplication, it will go in division. 20 cancel. Okay, now 3x is equals to 105 multiplied by 2, because this 2 will go in multiplication. X is equals to 105 multiplied by 2 upon 3, because 3 was in multiplication, it will go in division. Now we can cancel this. 3 3s are 9, 15 it will become, 3 5s are 15. X is equals to 35 into 2, so x is equals to 70. 35 into 2 is 70. Okay, this is 70 meter. Now this is the x. What about 2x? 2x is equals to twice of 70, which is 140 meter. We were supposed to find the length of the side along the river. So the length of the side along river is equals to 140 meter.